How to hide orders on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Then click on Returns and Orders at the top right corner of your screen in here. After you've clicked on Returns and Orders, here you'll find all your orders. Then at the top, you'll find filters. Simply click on the arrow that expands. Here you'll find archived orders. Or you can simply click on other days. Suppose you ordered in 2023, so you can simply click on past 3 months, then your 2023 years will be hidden and only orders from your past 3 months will be shown. And this is how to hide orders on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.